Imagine you just stepped off of your luxury charter from the airport. You're standing in beautiful North End, Boise, charming, quaint, wonderful. It's a lovely fall day. Your team falls behind as you open the door to our beautiful Assemble Retreat Boutique facility. Upon opening the door, you walk into a wonderful open kitchen concept with fruit and snacks already prepared for everybody. You look to your right and you see our meeting and dining room with everything that you asked for, including the color of the chairs, because that matters for your team. As you continue on through the house, everybody picks their room excitedly like teenagers running. I want the top one. I get this room. But don't worry, because they all have their own beds and they all definitely have their own bathrooms. So everybody has their own privacy. Now, once they've all done that and settled in, now you walk into our absolute meeting room because you still got to get started. You are still here for work. But you walk in and it doesn't feel like work. The chairs are comfortable. The light is flowing through the window and the screen already has your guys' team name and objectives listed on it. So you're ready to get started without a second notice thought. And before that all comes to an end, before you can even start to work, you're already done working for the day and you're already ready to have dinner. And we've already prepared that for you as well. The knock on the door comes and it's our chef. And our chef to do your first team building experience. And what better experience than to enjoy a meal that you all cook together with your own parts in. What you wanted to eat, the fridge is stocked and everything's ready to go. The night ends and that's just your first night.